In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can disable flashing taskbar buttons or icons on Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and type regedit. Click on Registry Editor under the best match. Just simply follow me for the path that we are going to navigate. Click on HK Current User, expand the list by clicking on the arrow. Click on Control Panel. Click on the arrow to expand the list. Then you have to click on Desktop. On the right pane, you have to look for the value that is foreground, foreground flash count, this one. Double click. So by default, the value data is set to 7. So in order to disable it, simply change the value data to 0. Again, by default, the value for foreground flash count is set to 7. So in order to disable it, you have to click on or you have to enter the value data, which is 0 on hexadecimal base. Click on OK. And then also look for the foreground lock timeout. Make sure this is 0 for the foreground lock timeout. This one, foreground lock timeout. That should be 0, and then you have to click on OK. Then you have to close the registry editor. But if you want to enable it, go back to foreground flash count and you can set the value data to 1 to 6, from 1 to 6, okay? And then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Do not forget to restart for the changes to take effect. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.